Hi class. To quickly share with you about some of the favorite places I like to visit. One year, my family and I went down to Cancun in Mexico. That was a really fun trip. Another place that we actually visit quite often is New York. We have a lake house up in upstate New York that we go to every summer, and that we meet up with my cousins and their family, and it's just a really fun experience. To think about another place I visited that was really fun, I would have to say Alaska. This one time, me and my family took my grandparents and stayed in Alaska for the week and got to stay in this cabin. We got to do a really cool plane trip where we got into a small plane and did like a plane tour of this mountain, which is really cool. And we did some salmon fishing, and yeah, it was really fun. And those are some of the places that I like to visit. Thank you.